How do you get old plastic surgery images removed online? If you're wondering how to remove old plastic surgery images from the internet, you're not alone. Many people want to control their online presence and protect their privacy. The process involves understanding your rights and taking specific steps to request removal. First, check if you gave explicit consent for those images to be shared publicly. Consent forms should clearly state how images will be used, whether for marketing, social media, or other purposes. If you did not agree or have since changed your mind, you have a strong reason to request their removal. Surgeons and clinics are ethically and legally required to honor withdrawal of consent, especially when images are used outside of medical records. Next, make a formal written request to the practice or website hosting the images. Clearly state that you want the images removed and include any proof of your original consent or your withdrawal of permission. This helps the practice understand your request and act promptly. It's important to give a reasonable time frame for them to process your request, as they may need to coordinate with website administrators or social media platforms. If the images were posted without your consent or against your wishes, you may have legal rights to privacy. Consulting with a lawyer experienced in medical privacy or patient rights can help you understand your options. They can advise whether you have grounds for claims like invasion of privacy or breach of contract. In some cases, legal action might be necessary to ensure the images are taken down. For images posted on social media or review sites, most platforms have specific reporting tools. You can file a complaint citing privacy violations or unauthorized use of your images. Platforms often respond to verified complaints by removing content that breaches their policies. It's also wise to document everything. Take screenshots of the images as they appear online and keep copies of all communication with the practice or platform. This evidence can support your case if you need to escalate the issue legally or through formal complaints. From an ethical perspective, plastic surgeons are expected to have proper consent procedures in place. They should have separate forms for internal use and external sharing, and they must regularly review their image use to ensure it aligns with patient wishes. When a patient revokes consent, ethical practice requires the surgeon or clinic to remove those images promptly, respecting your privacy and rights. In summary, getting old plastic surgery images removed online depends on whether you originally consented to their use, how clearly you communicate your wishes, and your legal rights. Contact the practice or platform in writing, provide proof if possible, and consider legal advice if necessary. Always remember that your privacy and consent are fundamental, and healthcare professionals are ethically bound to honor your requests to protect your personal information. For the best outcome, stay informed about your rights and work with trusted professionals to ensure your online presence reflects your wishes.